The new iPhone can fit snugly in the palm of your hand, yet unfold to reveal a much larger, stunning display. Yes, you heard that right. Apple is finally entering the foldable phone market. According to an exclusive report by GSM Arena, Apple is working on a foldable iPhone that might hit the market as early as 2026. After years of speculation and rumors, it looks like the iPhone Flip, as it's currently being called, is finally becoming a reality. First up, the design. Apple seems to be focusing on a clamshell or flip-style foldable, similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series. This means you'll have a compact device that unfolds into a larger screen, perfect for those who want a big display without the bulk. But here's where it gets interesting. John Prosser, a well-known tech analyst, has hinted that Apple tested two different foldable prototypes. One is a fold-out book-style hybrid tablet, and the other is a clamshell flip phone. While it's early in development, the clamshell design appears to be the frontrunner. But what about the infamous crease that plagues many foldable phones? Apple has reportedly been hesitant to release a foldable iPhone until they could address this issue. The latest reports suggest they might have found a way to minimize or even eliminate the crease. A patent from February 2020 reveals that Apple is working on a hinge design that allows the screen to bend without creating excessive stress on the panel, which could lead to a longer-lasting display. In terms of functionality, the new iPhone Flip will come with an outer display for quick access to notifications, widgets, and even using it as a viewfinder for selfies with the main camera. Ming-Chi Kuo, another reliable Apple analyst, has suggested that Apple might experiment with color e-ink displays for the exterior, which would keep battery consumption low. Durability is another concern with foldables, but rest assured, Apple is known for its stringent quality standards. Early foldables from other manufacturers had issues with fragility, but the technology has matured significantly. Apple has even filed a patent for a foldable screen with a self-healing layer, which could minimize the appearance of scratches and dents. The device could also feature an upgraded version of the iPhone's ceramic shield, specifically designed for flexible displays. Let's talk about size. Ming-Chi Kuo has claimed that the first foldable iPhone will have a huge display, measuring 8 inches, larger than the Galaxy Z Fold 4's 7.6-inch screen. However, other reports suggest Apple could be working with LG on a 7.5-inch OLED foldable display panel, or even testing a 9-inch display. Apple is also working closely with suppliers in Asia to ramp up production, indicating that this project is moving full steam ahead. The device has been given the codename V68 internally, signaling that Apple is committed to bringing this foldable marvel to market. Now, what about the software? We assumed the foldable iPhone would run on iOS, shipping with whatever the latest version is at the time. But Apple is likely to tweak its iPhone software to make better use of the folding body. One thing we really hope gets fixed for the iPhone Flip is iOS multitasking ability. Running apps side by side, like on an iPad or Android phone, would unlock the full potential of a foldable iPhone. Finally, let's address the elephant in the room: price. The iPhone Flip's cost will largely depend on how Apple approaches the design. If Apple opts for a smaller, clamshell-style foldable, the price may not be a far cry from premium handsets like the $1,199 iPhone 15 Pro Max. However, if it's a larger foldable that doubles as a tablet, we could be looking at a price that exceeds $2,000. Either way, Apple's entry into the foldable market will likely set new trends and expectations. So what do you think? Are you excited about the possibility of a foldable iPhone? Would you prefer the flip style? Or are you holding out for a foldable that opens into a larger tablet-like device? Let us know in the comments below. Also, do check out our latest video on the Galaxy Fold 6 to compare the offerings of these two flagship brands. Until then, see you in the next one.